I just want to show you how I made these threaded wheels for my next model. And I'm going to do it with this old wheel here. I want to get 20 threads on the wheel, so I've marked out a circle, 20 divisions, every 18 degrees around, and put a hole through the middle and this dowel. Then I put it in here and I've marked each line all the way around to give me 20 marks on the edge. I've done the same on the other side, but I've staggered them so that they're halfway between on the opposite side. Now I've made up a jig to cut the threads on the table saw, and if you come around here you can see that I've got this piece here at an angle, and if I put the wheel here, I have a center line coming up here from where the saw comes up through the jig. This is the center line of the saw blade, and I line up this fence here is half the distance of the wheel from there to there, and I just line up the marks on the wheel with the mark on the center line of the jig. And then if you go over there and I start up the saw, and it's raised barely above the level of the table at the moment, and I just do a test cut. I want the cut to start in the center and work back. So we'll line up the mark here with the mark on the jig. Switch on the saw. And now I just move to the next mark and repeat 20 times. Then I just turn it around, line up the next mark. And there you got it.